You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. We've reported for months now on challenges to undated or misdated mail-in ballots in Pennsylvania. After the Pennsylvania Supreme Court overturned a state court ruling allowing counting of those ballots, the ACLU is now taking a parallel case to the U.S. Supreme Court. The ballots in question are from otherwise eligible voters whose mail-in ballots were received on time and were correct, except for a missing or incorrect date on the outer envelope. Pennsylvania election law says they must be disqualified, but in 2022, as many as 10,000 Pennsylvania voters were disenfranchised by the rule. Two parallel cases in state and federal courts were filed on behalf of some of those voters, but the state case hit a dead end on September 4th when the Pennsylvania Supreme Court rejected the case on a technicality. The federal case, NAACP v. Schmidt, lost on appeal in March 2024 and was denied a rehearing. Then, September 25th, the ACLU asked the U.S. Supreme Court to take the case. The ACLU argues that the materiality provision of the 1964 Civil Rights Act prevents ballots from being invalidated for trivial mistakes, a voter suppression tactic used in the Jim Crow South. Whether the U.S. Supreme Court's majority takes the case and whether it would rule before the election is an open question. We've linked to more on the case at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.